Imagine harnessing the power of an unseen universe right within your head. Welcome to the fascinating world of the human brain. This intricate organ, a marvel of natural engineering, is a labyrinth of over 100 billion neurons, each connected to thousands of others. It's here, in this complex network, that our thoughts are formed, our memories stored, our speech crafted, and our movements coordinated. It's the mastermind behind every laugh, every dream, every tear, every idea. It's the seat of our consciousness, the essence of who we are. And yet, despite its omnipresence in our lives, the brain remains one of the final frontiers of scientific exploration. Its enigmas are many, its secrets profound. So buckle up as we embark on a journey to explore the enigmatic organ that makes us who we are. The human brain, a mere 3-pound organ, is the command center of our body. This intricate structure is at the helm of our nervous system, which is akin to an internal communication network. Without the brain, the body simply wouldn't know what to do or when to do it. It's a sort of maestro, conducting the symphony of our bodily functions. Picture the brain as a switchboard operator receiving and sending signals. Each signal is a piece of information, and these pieces of information control everything from the rhythm of your heartbeat to the blink of your eye. Every second, millions of these signals are dispatched and received, ensuring the smooth operation of our body's various systems. Everything from hunger to happiness, sleep to stress, is regulated by this 3-pound marvel. It's like the most sophisticated supercomputer on the planet, and you own one right inside your skull. Unravel the mystery of the brain's building blocks, the neurons. These tiny cells, smaller than a grain of sand, form the intricate wiring of our brain. Each neuron is a microscopic marvel, a hub of activity that carries information from one point to another. Imagine a bustling city, its streets teeming with life. That's your brain, and the neurons are the cars, zipping down the highways of your mind, transmitting information through electrical and chemical signals. It's a constant hum of activity, a symphony of thoughts, feelings, and actions, all orchestrated by these tiny cells. Each neuron connects with thousands of others through synapses, forming an intricate network. It's like the world's most complex game of telephone, with messages being passed from neuron to neuron, each one playing its part in shaping our thoughts and experiences. Neurons are the unsung heroes, tirelessly transmitting signals that shape our thoughts, feelings, and actions. The brain's architecture, a masterpiece more intricate than the most complex city layout. This cerebral cityscape is composed of 3 main districts, each with its own unique responsibilities and functions. First, we have the cerebrum, the largest part of the brain, comparable to the bustling downtown of a city. It's responsible for all the things that make us human, our thoughts, emotions, and creative problem-solving abilities. It's the cerebrum that allows us to compose symphonies, write novels, and build skyscrapers. It's divided into 2 hemispheres, each controlling the opposite side of the body. Next, we move to the cerebellum, akin to the city's industrial district, where precision and coordination are key. It's much smaller than the cerebrum, but don't let its size fool you. This little powerhouse is responsible for our movement and balance, fine-tuning the orders from the cerebrum and making sure they're executed with grace and precision. And finally, we have the brainstem, the city's infrastructure, connecting the brain to the spinal cord and controlling functions vital for survival, like heart rate and breathing. It's the unsung hero, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep the lights on and the city running smoothly. But what makes this city truly remarkable isn't just the individual districts, but how they all work together. Like a well-oiled machine, each part relies on the others to function effectively. The cerebrum sends a command, the cerebellum fine-tunes it, and the brainstem ensures the message gets to the rest of the body. It's a symphony of collaboration, with each section playing its part to create the beautiful melody that is human life. So, the next time you marvel at a skyscraper or a symphony, remember the true masterpiece is the brain that made it all possible. Did you know your brain is like clay, constantly reshaping and reinventing itself? This is due to a remarkable phenomenon known as neuroplasticity. Our brains are not static entities, but dynamic structures that physically change and adapt. Every experience, every thought, every emotion can leave an imprint on the neural pathways of your brain, reshaping its structure and function. So, the next time you're learning something new, remember, it's not just survival of the fittest, it's survival of the most adaptable, thanks to the plasticity of our incredible brains. The human brain, a frontier that science continues to explore. As our understanding deepens, we stand on the precipice of astonishing breakthroughs. Researchers are tirelessly working, unraveling the complex architecture of our minds, from advancements in neuroplasticity to the development of groundbreaking treatments for neurological disorders. The future of brain science promises a realm of possibilities. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the brain, who knows what extraordinary discoveries the future holds?